you watching it grow too?
No, I don't see it growing.
It's definitely getting big.
Okay, I see. Growing. I'm making it grow. You can see our massive crack in our windshield. We have 7 days before we make it to his brother's house in DC. We can get this all repaired and stuff. Our deal was that if the crack expanded beyond the duct tape, he had to go buy super glue or something to help with it. This morning we woke up and it had expanded. Here we are trying to stop it from growing for the next 7 days.
There are so many people at this park that they literally just have us parked in the middle of the 2-lane road on the side, miles down from the trailhead because there's like 20 parking spots. You know, Via Ferrata 2.0 in Acadia, Maine. If you look closely, you can see Nina is hiding. I have no idea why she would ever want to come and look at this. Oh, coming out? Coming out of hiding? Enjoy, enjoy. Do you know what that is?
Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, you gonna touch it? Go get it. Go get it. Oh, come on.
No. Okay.
Is it a good shot?
That's something.
What are you making?
Popcorn. I might have burnt it. We'll see when it pops.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna explode! Gosh!
I'm gonna get popcorn.
How much bigger does it get?
I've never done this before.
I see you.
Hi. No problem. Another one.
Thank you.
That's like our 5th toll booth today. That's not a thing in California, but apparently it is here. And it shortens your drive by like 2 hours, but costs money. In the boat.
Yeah, I can see it.
And she taught herself to do it. I can't take any credit.
The worst part about cities. Oh, oh wow. That was broken.
Don't attack him. Don't attack him.
Oh, is he your friend? Do you like giving him your money? You suck.
The crack is creeping and it's getting so big and it's gonna explode before we get to DC.
It's creeping.
Exploded like 3 times today.
I got a hot lobster roll.
And a cold one. That was so good.
Yeah.
I love my lobster lunch.
Looks a little trashy out here.
I think that the trashier it looks, the better it is. Just finished shower time. On to more driving.
So Nina's just been watching history videos for the past week whenever she drives.
I'm remembering my AP test stuff. What are we here for?
My jacket.
And what happened when we came here last time?
I didn't want to buy it because I don't buy things when I come to the store, but I still really want it. So we're back.
I made Jay come to the big LL Bean store in Freeport because, I don't know, it's a thing, it's open 24 hours. So we came without planning on buying anything, just to look. And guess who found something he wants to buy? Not me.